Designed as a 3D printable, this spooky cat is perfect for Halloween decorations and is easy to print. This is a perfect model to print with tree supports. Let's remove them first. Only the supports under the legs have to be removed. Please subscribe if you like it. Thanks. It's printed in black Polytera PLA with a layer height of 0.12 mm, the fine print profile of the A1 Mini. The details came out very well. This is the 100% scaled version and took around 2.5 hours to print. Every haunted house needs a guardian. And this 3D printed Halloween cat is ready to keep watch. You might also want to check out my 3D design channel. See you there.